wakiona kanitha na kuo guthakarite few deco no white na gold to balloons twi how to thakarite few na gwakirirwo reke twana tuke kuri nie ni wakiona twana ni tuo tutongoretie tumwana twina African attire ya gold na tuo twiritu twina white na kamucibi gatune we guku guthakarite arugamiriri anake momite mena black na gold wow leo ni ihinda rĩa muhiki ni ihinda rĩake aingĩre kanitha okahora hatarĩ na ihenya tondũ muthenya ni wake aumagaritio ni mam
wa Zona uweze kuja upande huu. Tunashukuru Mungu kwa siku ya leo. Amen. Amen. Na ningependa kuchukua pale. Kwa hivyo Zona karibu. Anaona Zona anafurahi sana. Naona furaha mpaka moyo bado umedunda zaidi. Amen. Asante. Wapigie makofi. Simpige makofi. This is beautiful. Is this the girl that you've dated? You went out for coffee with? You paid the money for? You did all these things for? Can you confirm that this is the girl that you want to spend all your life together with her?
Yes, she is.
Come on, appreciate this young man. Amen.
Harakati ya kunegera nori kwari na ka emotion ga create ro kuona mama makerera ngiona haya ni mani ndirane yanu runi ndirane yanu kwi mam ungi ngiona runi daima gwitu runi ndane yanu uko ndirioka yani mushera na tebuzi orosi ndo wangendira na ndakorirwo okay it's a realization process.
Thutha wa guconfirm kana ni waithira wake ni ihinda rĩa mĩhĩtwa.
Take you, John Ngugi Kiragu, to be the husband of my choice, pledging before God
that I will love you at all times.
I will forsake all others. And I take you only
as long as we shall both live. Amen.
Please clap your hands to God. The ring is a sign of something that is continued, and also the value of the metal indicates that there is value in what you're getting into.
Yes, I do.
This ring I give you is a token that you are the wife of my choice. Whenever you see this ring, remember Jonah loves it with all his spirit.
Ni wakiona Ngugi eritwo eterere miaka 5 hena umithio haha niho ngemi ciugago itari na githimi.
Grow, you can kiss your bride. It's not straight. Beginning kisa nataka kuta
Riu Ngugi na Waithira hamwe na mutungatiri ni ihinda ria ku sign certificate.
Yes, I do. Take it out. You be my husband. Take it out. And now you are. Take it out.
Na togo sign certificate iyo no nginya eigwo handu hega. Riu reke tuone haria Waithira akuiga certificate ino yao. Haya Waithira wauga umeige thogithini. Aya niwe owe haria cikigagwo wega. Waithira guku ainire akendire ni ukuona rona ni ambete eni ni ekiro igicuhi ni muone na mumenye. She is now a Mrs, not a Miss. Ona ninge kena muno ndi Waithira. Thutha wa photo session ni reception. Na utoria tuwe reception ni kwadia na mahoya. Ngemi na muthungutho. Rwimbo ni biu hatire rucio.
Inete mbere ugo githemba kiu no ni ndonirio makinya ma kisasa which I hope ni aregethia na mbere kunyonia
no ajira no ajide koina ngikimenya muthenya ucio tugukimenya no koina kati yake na niĩ no njuge ũhoro ware mwega tukigirwo ni atumia hau ni handu hangi ningi ndonire Ngai nima yani ndonire ni wendo kuma family ciothe
bas rĩu nĩ ihinda rĩa keki onayo nĩ ũkuona ina deco ya white and gold
hena flavor hena icing sugar icing sugar ni black
Waithira ni arumia mundu wake na mundu wake nioneka ni akena Waithira nake riu ni akiapire kurega gugiga thaitha mundu waku ari keki muthaithe biu Hey, yarikia gwitikira riu ni arikia kurumio keki
wewe moisi wagikeno gyakwa
no njire aria matahikanitie okay no njire aria kwanza me single ladies don't give up there is true love and real men are there outside and very serious. The thing no juge no kwihoka Ngai na kumweterera.
Nyambiririe kuri aria matari andu. The single ladies, the single gentlemen, what I can say, for you to get a serious man, no kinyokoro serious yourself. Udore ikikwira be faithful, be focused. Menya what you want. What do you want in life? Who is that person you want? Are you focused? Are you serious? Todo people are there. Urekira aria marenda gwika uhiki ni ati undu wothe ungiuset kana undu wothe ungiuga ni ukuwika no uhote. Ungiuga ndukuhota gwika uhiki ni ukuremwo. Undu uri ngingira mundu ndugetigire garama na ndugetigire thogora wa gukorwo ugika uhiki. Uhiki guo ni uri garama no ndugetigire tondu uige Ngai mbere na ni ukuhota.
Aciari nao ni maheo irio cia mbere cia Mr and Mrs Ngogi. Wow, mwiroreri haha niho njugaga Ngai witu amarathime na kihiko kiao iture tene na tene. Reke ngarume gakeki. Mwiroreri ngwihoka ni wake na ni kuona karugano ka Ngugi na Waithira. Kuigua karugano ka uria macemanirie nginyagia kuhikania. Ni ugwitikaniria nani ati muthenya ucio uma muthenya wa gikeno na muthenya muthaka biu angikorwo wi hau na we na igongona ria ngurario ruracio kana uhiki wa kanitha toyo namba ni icio tuhurire twaranirie tubangane nginya kiumia kiu kingi mathano maya mathaa 11:30 ceceni ni Kameme TV niĩ ngetwo Wangari wa Gĩoce.